Hello students, today I am going to start exercise 7.1. The first question is written on your blackboard. In this question, AC is equal to AD and AB bisect angle A so that triangle ABC congruent to ABD. And what can you say about BC and BD? It means first we have to prove these two triangles are congruent, and when these two triangles became congruent, then easily by CPCT we can say that BC and BD both are same. So just I am going to start. AC is equal to AD. AB bisects angle A. The simple is angle CAB बराबर angle DAB. Then we have to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD, see on the blackboard, in triangle ABC and ABD, this AC is equal to AD. It is given. It means AC is equal to AD, angle CAB बराबर angle DAB and AB बराबर AB. This is common, and these two things are given. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD due to side angle side SAS. Then these two triangles are congruent. And what can you say about BC and BD? BC and BD, इसके विषय में आप क्या कहेंगे? तो जब हम इन दोनों त्रिभुजों को कॉन्ग्रुएंट सिद्ध कर लिए, तो ये दोनों के दोनों लाइन सेगमेंट एक दूसरे के इक्वल होंगे ड्यू टू CPCT. चूंकि ट्रायंगल ABC congruent to triangle ABD, this implies BC बराबर BD, ये हुआ ड्यू टू CPCT. Proved. This is the accurate solution of this question number 1. Now this is question number 2. Figure is here. ABCD is a quadrilateral. यह एक चतुर्भुज है in which AD बराबर BC, AD बराबर BC, angle DAB बराबर CBA. These two angles are equal. Then we have to prove ABD congruent to triangle BAC. Then solution. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC, ABD and BAC, clearly AD बराबर BC. It is given angle DAB, DAB. This is also equal to angle CBA. DAB is equal to CBA. And these two triangles, clearly it is visible on the blackboard. This is one triangle and this is another triangle. These two triangles based on one line segment AB. So AB is equal to AB. This is common. And it is also given. Thus, this implies triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC due to side angle side SAS. Your first question to prove this is clearly proved here. Second, BD is equal to AC. BD is equal to AC. See the figure, BD is equal to AC. BD is equal to AC. BD is a line segment related to this triangle and AC is a line segment which is related to this triangle. And these two triangles are already congruent. BAD, ABD and BAC both are congruent. So BD is equal to BC due to CPCT. It is also proved. And your third question, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. ABD is equal to BAC. ABD, this angle. ABD, this angle equal to BAC. BAC, this angle. These two angles are also congruent, are also equal due to CPCT. This is also due to CPCT. This ABD equal to BAC due to CPCT. This is question number 2. And now question number 3. चूंकि AD and BC are equal perpendicular, equal perpendicular to a line segment AB. We have to prove that CD bisect AB. This is the question, and figure is on the blackboard. AD and BC are equal. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line segment AB. ये दोनों के दोनों इक्वल परपेंडिकुलर हैं AD और BC और लाइन सेगमेंट AB पे हैं, AB पे, AB लाइन सेगमेंट पे दोनों परपेंडिकुलर हैं, इट मीन्स दिस इज 90 डिग्री एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो 90 डिग्री। हमें प्रूफ करना है CD बाइसेक्ट AB, दिस CD बाइसेक्ट AB, इट मीन्स दिस and this, yani AO is equal to OB. If you prove, then CD bisect AB. Now in triangle DAO and CBO, AD बराबर BC, given these two line segments are equal, it is given, and next angle CBO is equal to angle BAO, each 90 degree. Due to perpendicular and angle COB is equal to angle DOA. This is due to vertically opposite angle. This implies triangle DAO congruent to triangle CBO due to KAS, angle side. This vertical opposite angle is equal to this vertical opposite angle, and these two angles are of 90 degree due to perpendicular, and other thing is AD is equal to BC, it is given. So these two triangles are congruent due to AAS, and this implies OB बराबर OA, OB बराबर OA, it is due to CPCT. This implies CD bisects AB, and it is the actual proof of this question, question number 3. Question number 5. Line L bisects angle A. BP and BQ are perpendiculars, from B. to arm of angle A. Prove first triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB, and second BP बराबर BQ और B equidistant from the arm of angle A, from the arm of angle A. This question number 5. Just see on the blackboard. This is the figure, and according to this figure, line L, which is the bisector of angle A, this means this angle is equal to this angle. BP and BQ, BP and BQ are perpendicular to the arms of angle A, means arms of angle A is AP and AQ. So this angle is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. Then we have to prove first APB congruent to AQB, APB congruent to AQB. Proof. Solution first. In triangle APB and AQB. See here, APB and AQB. In this question, this angle, it means BPA. Angle BPA is equal to angle BQA, each 90 degree. क्यों? तो due to perpendiculars. Clear? And angle PAB is equal to angle QAB. Here this is due to bisector of angle A. And now two angles are equal and one side, then we can prove APB congruent to AQB. Then one side AB is common in both the triangles. AB barabar AB, it is common. This implies triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB due to AAS. These two triangles are equal, and now second BP is equal to BQ. Second is yes, BP बराबर BQ due to CPCT, and this implies B is equidistant from the arm of A, from the arm of A. This is the solution of question number 5, and just you see on the blackboard, and it is the proof of this question.